Are you looking for a healthy alternative to all-purpose flour? Jowar, or sorghum, is a healthy alternative that you need to know about. This grain is most used in North Karnataka. Jowar is well known for its gluten-free properties and whole grain goodness. It is used to prepare a variety of classic treats, including couscous, bread, cakes, cookies, malted beverages, and staples like roti. Jowar is high in protein, carbohydrates, and dietary fiber, all of which support growth and development. The cereal is also abundant in calcium, iron, phosphorus, potassium, and sodium. As a result, jowar can help strengthen the bones, boost immunity, and ward off disease. In addition, jowar contains significant amounts of the vitamins thiamine, niacin, folate, and riboflavin, all of which are known to improve general health. Here are the 5 surprising health benefits of the wonder cereal. It prevents cancers. Jowar contains antioxidants that aid in the reduction of oxidative stress and the presence of free radicals. This contributes to the prevention of cancers. A review published in the journal Comprehensive Reviews in Food Science and Food Safety backs up the antioxidant properties of jowar. Helps weight loss. Jowar is high in fiber and provides a feeling of fullness when consumed. This helps to keep hunger at bay and reduces excessive food consumption. So, if you want to lose weight, try substituting jowar flour for wheat flour in your diet and see what happens. It has a positive impact on your health and weight. It controls blood sugar level. Jowar is a popular diet option for diabetics and those looking to lose weight. In addition, jowar has a lower glycemic index than whole wheat. As a result, it takes longer to release glucose into the blood and keeps blood sugar levels stable. It boosts your immunity. Magnesium, copper, and calcium are present in jowar and support the development of strong bones and tissues. Iron, which helps to increase red blood cells, is also present in jowar. All of this helps to strengthen your immunity. It improves your heart health. As already mentioned earlier, jowar is rich in fiber, which helps to lower bad cholesterol. Lower LDL levels decrease the risk of heart diseases, including stroke. If you like this information, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.